Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus RemNote. Let's dive into their core functionalities. Notion offers a highly flexible, all-in-one workspace, perfect for organizing diverse information, from simple notes to complex project databases. RemNote, on the other hand, is a powerful tool built primarily for students and lifelong learners, focusing on active recall and spaced repetition to help you master and retain knowledge over the long term. We'll explore which one might be the better fit for your unique needs. Notion truly shines with its incredible flexibility and customization. Imagine building your own digital workspace, tailored precisely to your needs, whether it's for personal journaling, managing a small business, or coordinating a large team project. Its powerful database features allow you to link information across pages, creating dynamic views and dashboards. You can integrate calendars, task lists, and even entire wikis, making it a robust solution for almost any organizational challenge you might face. Now, let's turn our attention to RemNote, a true powerhouse for learning and knowledge synthesis. If you're a student or someone dedicated to deep learning, RemNote's spaced repetition system is a game changer. It transforms your notes into interactive flashcards, ensuring you review information at optimal intervals for maximum retention. The ability to link concepts bidirectionally helps you build a rich, interconnected web of knowledge, making complex subjects much easier to understand and recall. So, which tool is right for you? If you need an all-encompassing, highly customizable workspace for project management, team collaboration, or general information organization, Notion is likely your best bet. However, if your main focus is on academic success, memorizing complex information, or building a robust personal knowledge base through active recall and spaced repetition, then RemNote will undoubtedly serve you better. Consider your primary objective to make the most informed decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.